SOTI Sync is back. Our partner and user conference is headed to Montreal, Canada from September 29th to October 2nd. Time to expand your knowledge of the SOTI ONE platform and save thousands of dollars by learning firsthand at SOTI Sync 2025. Join us on Training Day and experience in-depth product training led by SOTI subject matter experts and qualified facilitators.
We offer immersive product deep dives and cleaning sessions which are designed to give you actionable knowledge so you can enhance your mobility strategy.
Learn best practices to boost mobility, reduce downtime, and maximize the efficiency of your ecosystem.
And the best part, both existing and new customers can take their SOTI XSight and SOTI MobiControl certification exams on-site. That means you can become a certified SOTI product expert on the spot the very same day.
The value of this training and certification typically costs $2,500 USD, but you get it all for free. You're completely covered with the SOTI Sync full conference pass. What are you waiting for? Head over to sotisync.com, register today, and we'll see you at SOTI Sync 2025.